In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use priorities in Asana. By the end, you'll know how to add a priority field to your project, label tasks as high, medium, or low, and sort your list so the most important work rises to the top. This is a simple setup that can make a huge difference in how clearly your team sees what needs attention first. First, you'll add the priority field to your project. Open your Asana project and look toward the top right of the screen for the Customize button. Click Customize, then select plus Add Field and choose Priority. As soon as you add it, Asana will place a new priority column into your project, ready to use. If you're in List View, you'll see it as a column next to your task names. In Board View, the field appears on each card. If you don't immediately see Customize, make sure your window is wide enough and that you're working inside a project you can edit. Next, assign a level to each task. Click the priority cell right next to a task and choose High, Medium, or Low. Think of high as the items that are time sensitive, high impact, or blocking other work. Medium is for important tasks that still have some flexibility. Low is for tasks that are nice to have or can wait without consequences. Take a moment to set a consistent rule across your team for what each level means so people aren't guessing. You can change a task's priority at any time by clicking the same cell again, so as timelines shift or new information comes in, keep those labels up to date. Finally, sort your list to see what matters most fast. Click the priority header at the top of your list and Asana will group tasks by importance. High priority items will sit together, followed by medium and then low. This view is helpful during stand-ups and planning sessions because it draws attention to the work that needs immediate focus. If you ever want to scan a single section, that grouped view makes it obvious where work is piling up. That's all there is to it. Add the priority field, assign each task a clear level, and sort your list by the priority header to group by importance. With this lightweight system in place, your team gains instant clarity and better alignment on what to do now, what to do next, and what can wait. Thanks for watching, and try adding priorities to your next project so your most important work is always front and center.